Here's this thermostat, it's a Computherm, and let's see how to modify the time because it's showing 11 and currently it is 12 o'clock. So this is, let's pull it apart, Computherm Q7RF. Okay, to modify the time, open up this small little door, like so. And we have the day button, press that one. Now it's flashing the Wednesday, that is the day of the month. You can modify that with the plus and minus if you want. To jump to the next one, which can be modified, press the day button again. Now it's allowing us to modify the hour, which is 12 o'clock. So let's add an hour in plus. Day again to jump to the minutes. Which one is flashing? That can be adjusted. The minutes are 13, so 1 and 2 more. And press the set button to finalize everything. And that is the hour and minutes were adjusted according to my phone on this Computherm Q7RF thermostat. And that's it, we can put this back there, just push it on.